This is Concorde Hotel area, new look of the Concorde Hotel area in World Bank, Owerri, Imo State. Guys, in this video, after I investigated the road project and everything about this area, guys, I will put it out there for you guys to see. Let's go and see what they have done. The government have really tried so much.
You guys see Concorde Road, guys, you can see. Oh Jesus, this is Concorde, my people. This is Concorde, man. Everywhere is looking beautiful, brother. So yeah, guys, you can see how everywhere is so beautiful, neat. You can see the environment here at Concorde Avenue aside. This is the Concorde Hotel. Hello, Chad. Hello, everyone. I'm at the Concorde Hotel. You can see it at my back here. I visited Concorde Hotel to know the stage of the hotel, to know where they have reached. They are renovating it. Guys, what I'm seeing here. See everywhere, guys. I see everywhere. So beautiful, guys. Oh my God, guys. This is Concorde Avenue at Concorde Hotel side in 2026. Guys, everywhere is looking amazing, bro. Everywhere is looking amazing. Crazy, bro. Crazy to see everywhere so neat and beautiful. Guys, let me show you more, bro. Only me cannot see it. Let me show you more, guys.
So starting from here now, be going down, showing you guys everything about this area. If you have not come to this place before and you have been to Owerri, Imo State, you are missing a lot. Guys, this is the road network here at Concorde Avenue. This place is at World Bank. You can see how they have finished the road. Everywhere is now looking clean, beautiful. You cannot see those bins on this road. You can see how everywhere is so clean. This is Concorde Road. This is front of Concorde Hotel. This is what the government have done. This is how they have finished this place. So guys, you see how beautiful everywhere look like. You can see everywhere is looking clean. I will show you every corners of this place. Make sure you do stay to watch this video to the end.
So tell me, guys, what do you think about this place? They have made this place look amazing, guys. This place is now looking so beautiful and amazing. You can see the environment. You can see everywhere is now looking so beautiful and amazing. Starting from my back here, you can see how everywhere is so beautiful. Guys, you can see this road. You can see the other road. Everywhere is good, looking nice and beautiful. Guys, let me keep going. Today I'm very tired, but what do I have to say? I have to keep going. Most of them might drive. You can see the signboard here. You can see the signboard. They put it there. It's at Concorde. So guys, this is the Concorde Road. This is the Concorde Hotel here by my right. So I'm trying to show you guys the Concorde Road here. They put a pedestrian. See, it's like a quota. The beauty of but it's also a pedestrian way. Yes, the pedestrians, you can. This Concorde Hotel by the right pedestrian here. You can walk on it, on top of it. So try to show you guys the beauty of this place. starting from down there. So everything like is good. You know, the road now, everything has linked up. Beautiful. This Concord, man. Yes, man. So guys, you can see this is the Concord Road side. You can see this is the Concorde Boulevard. You can see the places everywhere is beautiful. Like have changed. This is the Concord gates. You can see the Concord gates. They have done the Concord gates where now it's no more like before. You can see it's along the road here. So guys, this is the Concord Road. They have finished everything. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Guys, you can see the Concorde Hotel. You can see this is the fence of the Concorde Hotel leading to the gate side here. You can see it. They call the other side everywhere look like opposite the Concorde gate. They call it Concorde Boulevard. Guys, you can see. So keep going, guys. Keep going. We are stopping soon, guys. We are stopping down soon there, bro. But I'll be going down there. Don't forget, we are showing you guys how beautiful this area is. You know, this is the Concorde roundabout here. Now take a U-turn when you reach here. Guys, everywhere now is linked up, good road, beautiful place, beautiful controls by itself. You can see. Damn it, bro. You can see everywhere. So nice, beautiful. Like this is the roundabout old. You can see. You can see it. You can see how neat everywhere is now. This is the Concord side. Before, it's not like this. But bro, everything have changed. You can feel me now. You see? When you reach here now, you have to wait for the traffic lights. You fucking don't have to wait for the traffic lights coming down from this side. Everything like, what the people driving, man? Can you see how everywhere look like? Damn, man. Guys, you guys can see our president Tinubu and the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, with our Nigerian beautiful flag here. Damn, everywhere is cool, bro. Cool, bro. Everywhere is damn. This is the World Bank.